All right, hi everyone. My name's Phil Batterson. I'm the founder of Kit Campers, and one question I get a lot of is, what is the Kit Camper Classroom? So the Kit Camper Classroom is an integrated live build guide and forum, uh, especially or specifically designed to help you design a kit camper for your own truck, uh, build and assemble the entire kit camper, and provide you with all the support necessary in order to get you from design to a finished product. There's a lot of challenges that goes into designing and assembling a camper, and the Kit Camper Classroom I thought was the best solution to help give people the support they need in order to actually like build one. So it's a living build guide. So it's not just like a PDF or anything like that. It's a living build guide that is going to change and morph based on people's questions, based on other people's inputs. Like one of the big things I want to do is I want to house a rooftop tent design and bill of materials and build within the classroom. So that's in the future, but if and when you buy access to the classroom, you'll get access to all of those designs that have been created. Um, so that's kind of the difference between the Kit Camper Classroom and other build guides, is that this one is designed to be interactive. So if it's something you think you're interested in, go ahead, purchase it. If you have any more questions for me, feel free to DM me on Instagram or email me. My email will be down below.